Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I haven't posted any video. So here is a new video for you, and in this video we are doing a spoon hack. So let's get started. Now the very first step, as you all know, is applying an eye base. You can use concealer, MAC paint pot, anything you like as an eye base, but make sure to set your eye base using a loose powder. I am using Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda, and I'm going with darkish purplish brownish shade, whatever you called. And I'm taking a flat spoon, normal spoon, placing on my lid and tracing along the spoon. Now you can see I have created a liner using the spoon, and then I am bringing that eyeliner towards my center of the lid and connecting it to the crease using the same pencil brush. It's just like extending your crease. Next, I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to take dark pink color and I'm going to blend my crease using that brush. Now with this brush and color, it will create a beautiful diffused look. So it will look as if you have really gone through whole blending process, although it is a completely easy shortcut. Also, for the eyeliner part, I'm going to diffuse it using the dark pink shade and bring the liner towards my inner eyelid. This will really help to create a connection between crease and eyeliner, and when you put glitter over it or any light shade, it will give a really beautiful look as if you have done a full cut crease. Now for brow bone, I'm going to take white eyeshadow on a flat brush, basically any brush, and then I'm going in with this beautiful light mauve shade and I'm going to blend it over the crease with a fluffy blending brush. Now this mauve shade will literally diffuse the eyeshadow. It gives so pretty look as if you started the whole blending process. Once I've blended this mauve shade, I am going to use glitter today. I am going in with the blue glitter from the palette, and if you see, I am using sponge applicator. Not sponge, it's a silicone applicator, and I have applied the glitter using silicone applicator. Now I will repeat the same colors in my lower eyelid, literally follow the same color scheme, and a small blending brush. Today I am using Revolution Lavender Under Eye Pencil, and this is my complete look without lashes and with lashes. I hope you had fun watching this mini tutorial, and it's super easy to create. Do subscribe to my channel as it will really motivate me.